the CDC reports nearly 64% of Iowa adults are partially vaccinated. That's a couple percentage points behind the national average. Joining us now is Nola Aigner Davis with the Polk County Health Department. Nola, thank you so much for joining us this evening.
Thank you for having me on.
Let's start with vaccine strategy. Does the department believe the vaccine lottery is working?
Right now in Polk County, we know that 62.5% of our eligible Polk County residents are vaccinated. So that is a great number. We're getting close to our community immunity number. This is encouraging because we want to keep continuing Polk County residents to get that vaccine.
Absolutely. What's the department's strategy ahead of the 4th of July weekend?
So it's really important for everyone to remain vaccinated. As we know, the Delta variant now accounts for 1 in 4 cases nationwide. And we will continue to see those numbers rise, especially after a holiday weekend.
And we're hearing from pharmacies around the area, very few teenagers are getting the shot. So how's the department addressing this?
Well, part of our vaccine lottery, we have an incentive for our teenagers under the ages of 18 where they're able to take part in a scholarship. We also have a host of other options that they can get when they get vaccinated here. So again, it's really just encouraging our young adults to make sure they are getting vaccinated because they are just as likely to become seriously sick with COVID-19.
Sure. Let's turn to the Delta variant now. What kind of COVID test sampling does the department send to the state hygienic lab to test for the variant?
So the state hygienic lab is able to tell us what is the variant of the COVID-19 vaccine. So the state lab is able to run those, and then they're able to come back to the counties and let them know if there is the variant in Polk County.
And wrapping up here, what threat does the Delta variant pose to Iowans who are not vaccinated?
1 in 4. That number can easily become 1 in 3. We know it's a holiday weekend. We know during holiday weekends we don't always make the smart decisions. If you're not vaccinated, now is the time to get vaccinated. It's quick, it's efficient, and this is the best way to keep you from becoming seriously ill or even hospitalized.
Halfway into the year, time is of the essence. Nola, thank you so much for joining us. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, let's take a closer look at Iowa's vaccination numbers. The CDC reporting nearly 60% of adult Iowans are fully vaccinated. And according to the Iowa Department of Public Health, that totals nearly 1.5 million people in Iowa.